Hello everyone, this is me Suchi Bhatt. Welcome back to our channel Be Stylish. Today I have decided to use a very soft and a pastel shades to create a summer look. As we all know, summer is already started and in summers जितना हम पेस्टल्स और सॉफ्ट कलर्स का यूज करते हैं या पहनते हैं वो बहुत ही सूदिंग सा लगता है, आई कैचिंग लगता है. So today also I thought of creating something with the pastel shades here. So if you guys are interested in knowing how I have achieved this look, then keep on watching till the end. Don't try to skip the video. So before starting the video, I would love to say that the product I have used are going to be mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. So without any further ado, let's start the video. I have already set my eyes with my eye primer. So first we are going to take our first shade. I'll take this shade little bit above on my crease. This is my transition shade. This time I have taken my crease little bit above. Now I'm taking my second shade, which is little darker than previous one. Now with this shade I'm going to keep the shade into my crease. इसका focus मेरा सिर्फ crease के अंदर रहेगा. Can you see her, guys? She is there. Taking my flat brush, इसे मैंने थोड़ा सा गीला किया because next shade is going to be the shimmer and this time I'm trying this with a brush. Wet brush से ज़्यादा effectively color pay off आता है. अगर dry से करो तो उतना ज़्यादा pay off नहीं होता है. So I'm trying a wet brush. So this shade we will keep only on the outer V. Don't take the color above the crease. Again we are going to take a flat eyeshadow brush because the next shade is also a shimmer shade. I have planned to use a third shade also, but let's see. First we will try with this. If it doesn't come up that way, then we are going to use the third one. जब भी आप दूसरा शेड लगा रहे हो तो इनके बीच जो एक लाइन है उसको हल्का सा या तो फिंगर से आप उसको स्मच कर दो थोड़ा सा, या फिर यू कैन स्मच. नाउ अगेन फॉर द लास्ट टाइम आई एम यूजिंग द सेम ब्रश, वेट ब्रश, बिकॉज द थर्ड शेड इज ऑल्सो अ शिमर शेड. This is how it looks after putting the three colors together, and you can see there is no harsh line between three colors. कोई भी edges नहीं होने चाहिए colors के बीच में, हमेशा उसको diffuse कर दीजिए. Now for the last time I'm taking my small blending brush और जो सबसे पहला शेड जो हमने अपने ट्रांजिशन के लिए यूज किया था हम उसे लेकर एक बार एजेस को डिफ्यूज कर देंगे. of the things are pretty much done, and anyone can see this creature behind me. I'll show you guys. Here she is. Jerry! The next thing is the liner. Now the next step is the mascara. Now it's time for the falsies. For the last time, again I'm using the eyeliner to cover my lash band. Now the last step is the lower lash line. The color I'm using is the darkest brown. They are always optional. The black and the darkest brown, they can always complement any kind of a color on your eyes. So right now I'm taking the darkest brown shade. Now I'm going to diffuse this color with the transition shade I have used. Every step is done completely. So I'll see you guys after completing rest of the things. So this is the final look, guys. You can see how this has turned out. So now this is time to say goodbye, because this is all for today's tutorial. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed, and the people who have already subscribed to my channel, a very thank you to you guys. And the people who are new here, just take a moment to subscribe my channel and press the bell button. This thing actually motivates me to create more looks, so keep motivating me by subscribing my channel. So I'll see you guys very soon with another tutorial with another eye look. So till then, take a very good care of yourself. Bye.